Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and we are back with another video. And today we will be playing Minecraft. We'll be starting a new series of Minecraft today. So let's name it the Ultimate Mate World. Yeah. Okay, so that's great. I hope I have a good spot to start. But I don't want it to be in the jungle. I hate jungles.
Press T return or wireless controller right button to open chat.
Are you serious? Where am I? Okay, I probably don't know that, but okay. Why am I crouching? Let's get some wood. Okay, good. Let's get as much as we can. Yeah, by the way guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Wood plank. Should I get more wood? No, I will just leave it. What is this? Loom? I don't really know what that is. What the heck is loom? Okay, let's make an pickaxe and axe. Yeah. So let's mine some stone. Chop down some stone. Oh, there's free stone right there. Actually, we come back to the crafting table. So let's get enough for all the tools and for a furnace. Also a store. Oh, one just fell down. Oh. Is it enough for everything? Definitely not. Come on, dude. Come on. I need to hurry up. If I'm lucky, I might also find coal. If I do like this. Like if I dig. Let's get 34. Okay. No coal, unlucky. Now we don't need you stone pickaxe. Get out of here. Some sword for those monstrous mobs. Evil little mobs. Ooh, maybe I can pet him or something. Yeah, let's get food or something from somewhere. He will be my pet. He will also protect me from dangerous mobs, you know. Get out of here. Are you kidding me? I'll just keep this in my inventory. Okay, there's a cow. I will get food from him and try and pet this wolf. Where are you, Wolfie? Cute little Wolfie. Oh, he's mad at something. What is he mad at? Cow? Okay, I will help you, buddy. Don't he eat this? Doesn't he? What about this? Why is he not eating? I don't know. Oh, sugarcane. We will need that for later. Why am I not getting an axe? Freaking axe. Yeah, and also I forgot that we need an axe. I mean, you know, wool for a bed. I really want to pet this dog. I love dogs. I mean, they also protect us and they follow us wherever we go. Where is he? Yeah, let's take the crafting bench. Wait, did we build a furnace? We'll build it afterwards. Wait, yeah, they eat chicken, I think. Didn't I just saw a chicken over here? Come here, chicky. Sorry, it's your bad day, buddy. We've just started and already mobs will attack us. Yeah, please don't come towards me. Yeah, come out in the land. You will not burn, I promise. Where is that wolf? You're wasting my time, wolf. Just please come to me. Where the heck did he go? Pig. We need food for later. That. Let's just leave it. Oh, cool. Oh, I mean, cool. Cool. What the heck is that? I found some cool. Cool is cool. Let's just quickly mine this. Let's get as much as we can. Okay, I wish I had an iron pickaxe. They're so slow. Or diamond. One day we will get bigger and we will have iron pickaxe and a diamond one. Of course, because we are the legend of all. I wish that Wolfie was here. I'll just get some sand also to make glass for my house. How much is it? 44. Okay, that's enough, I think. Actually, let's get some more. You know, we might run out. Or the area where we will build our house might not have sand. We can't risk it. Before in my Minecraft world, I like one time didn't have they couldn't found any sand, so I just had wood except of the windows. Okay, shovel broke. Nice. Very nice. I'm good. Can you get the hell out of here? I think he had a trident just before. Okay, I didn't get it. I think so. Yeah, I didn't get it. Where did that wolf go? I don't know. Oh, creeper. Okay, we need to find some sheep and build a bed, or else we'll be dead. Quickly, you know what I mean? Huh? You know what I mean, right? I have a feeling that a creeper is soon going to creep on us. Should we explore and build the house in the next episode? Or I don't know. I will see. Okay, maybe I will find some iron here. Wait, let's build torches. That's definitely a good idea. Raw chicken. Ooh. I definitely don't want to look in his eyes. Is he behind me? Where did he go? I'm so scared of Enderman. Okay, he's gonna blow up. Did it kill the Enderman? I don't think so. Oh, coal. Yeah, I just heard him teleport. He definitely didn't die. Let's just find iron and get the hell out of here as fast as we can, because I'm scared. I don't want to lose all my progress. I barely made any progress, but still. Iron. Haha, I'm the king of the forest. But there's a cave. I'm sorry. I'm the king of the cave. Or iron. Something. Okay, can somebody put a torch now? Well, there's nobody, so I'm the only one who can put the torch down. Are you an idiot? I'm saying it to me, not to you. Don't take it as a harm. And like the video. I think I hear a mob. Yeah, zombie right there. What should I do? What should I do? I'm scared that zombie will come and throw me from behind and throw me over here, and then all the mobs will kill me or eat me. Something here. Iron. Good. I'm trying to find as much iron as we can, so that we'll build a whole set of armor and equipment. Okay, skeleton. I need to build torches. Quickly. He will come. Oh, he's in a hole, I think. Why isn't he getting out? I think I hear a zombie too. Let's get the coal. I'm so scared that I will die by a creeper or something. Or by mistakenly look into the eyes of the Enderman. I don't know where he went, he just teleported somewhere. Maybe he teleported into lava. If he is dumb, he should have teleported into lava. Lava? Why would he do that? I'm dumb.